भारता खातीर सद्याक एकमेव पर्याय म्हळ्यार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी. ह्या देशाचे लोक जाणा परत कोणाक पंतप्रधान करपाक जाय तो. म्हणटकर लोक येवपी वेंचणुकेन मोदी बरोबर रावतले अशें मुरगांवचो आमदार संकल्प आमोणकर हांणी म्हळां. RDXGOA खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
Depends upon who is opposition. So presently, if we go to see, we don't see that there is any opposition. There is a infighting between all of them. So there is no option left. Narendra Modi ji is the only option left for this India, because you can see today this India has prospered. This country has prospered just because of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Under his leadership, we are seeing the changes what we are looking for. India is going to become the next superpower. This is possible just because of our Honorable Prime Minister. We have seen this Chandrayaan 3, which has been a big success. It's a boost for the people of India. So we are not able to say, and people have faith in the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, and we have seen this recently about recently all these country, the way that they give respect to our Honorable Prime Minister when he visits to their country. People come, they literally people bow down and take his blessing. So these are the things that leadership has make a mark in the entire world of his leadership. So I think the people of this country knows who is the actual Prime Minister Kurunga, and people will be with the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.